Hi, I'm Steve Clifford, and if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and liking this video. It really does help. So today we are going to show you 5 Easter eggs, 5 things that you probably didn't know about your new Toyota, and honestly, a lot of salesmen don't even know about some of this stuff. We're going to start off with the smart key entry. Now everyone knows what smart key does, right? You put your hand in the door handle and it unlocks the car, right? And when you tap this little panel here, it locks the car. But did you know that if you put your hand in there for 3 seconds, it unlocks the entire car? Watch this. Aha! We just unlocked all the doors. Bet you didn't know that one. Let's get inside. I'll show you the other 4. Okay, now we're in the car. Let's go over the rest of them. First thing is about the drive modes. Everybody knows that when you put it into the sport mode, that it will change how the car shifts and it makes it feel more responsive. But did you know that it also changes the steering response? The steering gets heavier. It handles better. It feels more solid. Next one has to do with the radio. And tuning the radio on these things is a pain. I know it, and if I could find the engineer that decided that we didn't need a tune knob, I would smack him for you, but we can't do that. But now if we're on the radio button here and we hit FM radio, now you can see all of the radio stations that are coming in here. If you hit a radio station that you like, and you're like, well, that's the one that I like, hit the little heart button. Okay, go away. Go back to FM radio. Now pick another station that you like. Hit the heart button. You can hit the heart button on as many stations as you like. And I'm just going to do a couple of them here. And once you pick several stations, then you can use this button here on your steering wheel. By hitting this up and down arrow, you can see that we're going to our different presets that we just set. It does simplify things a lot. All right, next item. You can pair up to 5 phones with this system, but did you know that you can actually make 2 of them active at the same time? So if you have a husband and wife and you're going on a trip somewhere, or more likely, if you're a business owner and you have 2 phones, your business and your personal phone, you can make both of them active at the same time. Both of them will have calls that will come through the interior of the car. You go to your settings here, go to Bluetooth and devices. Now you'll notice I have 2 phones in here and they are both connected. How did I do that? One of the phones is set up for use as phone and media. You notice this one is not set up for iPhone or for Apple Carplay. The other phone is set up for Apple Carplay. Now here's what's wild. Toyota has set this thing up so it thinks there's a difference. The one that is set up for CarPlay, and by the way, this works for Android Auto. If a call comes in for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, it treats that as one event. Then if a telephone call comes in and on the other phone, it answers it as a telephone. So it's a device versus a phone, and it allows both of them to be active. Now here's an extra little tip on that one. Your voice commands. If you just push and release this button, then you're going to talk to the phone that is connected. And you can say, call home, call my wife. If you push and hold it for 3 seconds, it'll activate Siri. And then you can tell Siri, call my wife, call home, call whoever is in your contact list. So quick release for talking to your phone, push and hold it for 3 seconds to talk to your digital assistant, either Siri or Android Auto. Last one is kind of fun. I just got a question on this on one of my other videos, but if you are in Apple CarPlay, you notice you have all of your apps. These are all apps from your phone except for one. This one, that is not the Toyota app. That means to exit Apple CarPlay and go back to the Toyota control panel. That's what most people don't really realize when they're looking at this thing. So those are the 5 Easter eggs, and I hope this has been helpful. I hope that this helps you get more from your new Toyota. I'm Steve Clifford. Thanks for watching.